It's Sunday morning. I am heading to the grocery store. I've got to head to Trader Joe's and Target today. There are some things I need at Target that obviously Trader Joe's doesn't have. Cat food, dog food, cat litter. And I have to get gas first. It's funny how I haven't driven that much, you know, since March. So when I need gas, I'm like, oh, I forgot that's even a thing. So yeah, I gotta go get gas and then I'm gonna get coffee. And then we're gonna go to Trader Joe's first and then swing back and go to Target and then gotta get the day started. Today is meal prep Sunday. We're gonna prep for the week 1 of the challenge. It's almost 9 o'clock. So I'm hoping I get back home by 10 so I can participate in Sarah's live. Lose Weight Sarah, if you are not familiar, does a live chat every Sunday morning. But I am going to stop at the gas station and then get going. Alrighty, Trader Joe's was all chicken and diced tomatoes, so that really sucks. And the last time I went to Target, I am pretty sure they were all out of pumpkin too. I just love that people hoard and think that they need to stock up for years. Sorry, I'm probably more annoyed than I should be, but it's just like, come on people, let's not be hoarding things. We don't need to hoard. We're not all going to have a food drought, so calm yourself. Ugh, people annoy me. So I don't know if it's a good idea to go to Target or not. Maybe I should go to Hy-Vee. I'm gonna try Hy-Vee and then hopefully they have everything I need.
If I could hear my father's voice, he would tell me to move on. He would say I'll be just fine. Yeah.
Oh my god, well that was a shit show. I could not find the egg roll wrappers for the life of me. It took about maybe a half hour to find the freaking egg. I should have just asked because they ended up being in the produce section, which, I mean, I knew they would probably be in like a refrigerated section, but I didn't look in the produce section. That was the one place I didn't look. I found them, and I did find pumpkin. At first was looking and I didn't see it where I thought it would be, and I was like, oh great, now what? But I found them in a different baking aisle. Apparently Hy-Vee has 2 baking aisles. So anyway, I gotta go home. It's 10:41 already. Good lord. I have a lot to do today. I have not started editing day 4 vlog yet, so I gotta get going on that. I will see you guys in a little bit.
We have time to laugh and time to heal.
Okay, I was already behind and now I'm even further behind. So let's just do a quick little grocery haul. I am a pet owner and every pet owner needs some of this. I got 2 cans of diced tomatoes, 2 cans of the pumpkin that I couldn't find anywhere. I got some baby kale, sharp cheddar cheese, minced garlic, pickles, cilantro, Brussels sprouts, almond meal, and coconut milk, olive oil spray, maple syrup, some smoked apple Chardonnay chicken sausage, ground turkey, avocado oil, almond milk, freezer bags, and then I also got some slow cooker liners, more freezer bags, just smaller, garam masala, the egg roll wraps that took a half hour to find. I needed some more salt and I got kosher salt because I guess kosher salt has less sodium. I got some pig's ears for the pup, some black pepper because I'm running out. I got 4 cans of garbanzo beans, pomegranate seeds, baby carrots, bananas, white mushrooms, red bell pepper, red onion, yellow onion, ghee, ginger, and I got some eucalyptus to put in the shower, cat food, dog food, and my water. So kind of a big haul today. That's usually how it is the first week of a challenge. I expected it. I'm gonna put all these away and I need to edit for a little bit. So I am editing. I tried to turn on Sarah's stream and literally right when I went on, it looked like she had just ended it. I'm sorry, Sarah. I wish I would have made it. I'm just going to try to finish up editing. It's almost noon. I'm hoping to get this out within the next couple hours and then start meal prepping. I don't like to meal prep that late in the day, but that's just what's gonna happen today. I just got a little behind this morning because of the pumpkin fiasco. Oh man, you guys, I worked hard to get that video edited and it's uploading right now. It's a little later today Sorry, I got behind schedule because of going to my brother's yesterday and all of that, but it's worth it. Just gotta catch up when I can. I am going to start meal prepping. I'm one of those people who doesn't like to meal prep when the kitchen is messy, and look at that. It is a bit messy, so I'm gonna clean up what I can, as much as I can, and then I'm gonna get started. It's already almost 2:30. Usually around this time I'm done with meal prep, so I have a lot to do. I also had it's day one of Shark Week, so I had some really bad cramps, but I took some Advil and I'm feeling much better now. So I am going to start cleaning the kitchen, then it's time to meal prep.
Favorite song is on repeat. Drinking wine until the dawn, knowing soon we'll be back home. Ooh, I'm thinking about you. Ooh, I'm wishing that you knew. That I'm thinking about you. I see that smile on your face. You told me about the hidden place, something in the atmosphere. You're always here, you always here. Time to laugh and time to heal.
It wasn't as bad as I thought it was gonna be. So all of these are done. I can put them in the freezer, and then as I make them, I will put them in the air fryer.
Favorite song is on repeat. Drinking wine until the dawn, knowing soon we'll be back home. Ooh, I'm thinking about you. And I'm wishing that you knew. That I'm thinking about you. I'm thinking about you. And I'm wishing that you knew. And I'm thinking about you.
Oh my goodness, I am beat after that meal prep. I think it's like 6:30 or something like that. Today took a little longer than normal because I wasn't prepared like I should have been. You guys know that my grocery trip took a little longer than planned this morning, so that just kind of threw me off. And then trying to hurry up and get, I think it's day 4 of Vlogtober up. I'm ready to just relax, but I do need to start editing today's vlog at least, so I'm not behind starting tomorrow when I should be focusing a lot more on the Tone It Up challenge. They did release the workout schedule for the week. I will go over that with you guys in a little bit. I'm just gonna go edit a little bit, at least get everything loaded onto my computer and onto a timeline in Final Cut Pro, so that part is at least done. And then relax. I almost forgot to eat dinner. I'm gonna have some of this leftover lasagna. I don't even know where I'm at with calories today. I'm gonna have to see. Make sure I am eating enough, but I'm not really even that hungry. The first day of my period, when I'm just not feeling the greatest, I am not that hungry anyway. I might just eat this, not the whole thing, half of it, and then call it a day for food. Okay, so here is the schedule. I'm not gonna be doing any of the live workouts. I'm just gonna do the in-app workouts. So Monday, it looks like strong booty and thighs plus a meditation. Tuesday, I will skip that live workout, and then there's a HIIT workout, home gym HIIT. Wednesday, vibe and flow, so like a yoga workout, I'm guessing. Thursday is boxer babe, so a boxing workout. Friday, next level arms, upper body. Saturday, 30-minute interval run, that's new. They haven't had any running workouts before. I'm not sure that I'm going to do that one. We're gonna have to see how long the intervals are for. And then Sunday is mobility booster and abs. Not sure about that one. Is it maybe some stretching or yoga or something? I'm still considering adding some cardio in there. I'm gonna see how I feel. Maybe the first week I won't add cardio, but I will be walking every day. But I do feel like I need a little more cardio than what they've laid out here, which I expected. So we'll see. I just went in and added the recipes into my Lose It app because I didn't do that last night. So that's done, and I already scheduled in the app some of the meals, so all I have to do is check them off.